So my plan today was to go to the sled hill and record some events out there, but it was a little windy, a little snowy. But I wanted to really try out my magimask. This is not going to benefit my videos at all. It's just going to benefit the experience. Because instead of watching the flight on your phone, you're kind of in the drone, watching it from the drone. So it should be pretty cool. Well, here's my drone. If you don't know what it looks like, DJI Mini 2. I'm ready to go. Let's see what happens. So I've never used this thing, and I came out here to the soccer fields because there's I need very little obstructions, i.e. Telephone lines, trees. Because once I get into this thing, I'm in it. I don't have a spotter. Alright, we have to set the drone out. I think I might launch first and then put this on. I'm not even sure. I'm afraid to fly in the snow. I'll put it on here first. Alright, so here's the controller, phone controller. She's on. I set this outside. I might just put it on the sunroof, I'm not sure. It's ready. I'll launch right away so it doesn't get all wet. Alright. She's on the sunroof. Let's see how this works. Better launch, I don't want it to get too wet. I should put my camera up there. Oh, fuck. You gotta be kidding me. Just broke my stand. Shit.
Please check it on the map.
Alright, I need to launch this before it gets wet. I just broke my GoPro stand. Camera started. Take off. Camera started. Take off.
Take off.
Alright. There it is. Oh man, the wind's really getting it. This is going to be dangerous. Oh no. Here we go. Alright. Get all the snow out of here. Oh shit, here we go. Alright, I don't have the mask on because I'm just a little nervous about flying in snow to begin with. But here we go, baby. Hope I'm high enough. Looks like I am. Let's fly, baby, fly. I'm flying in snow. I think this is dangerous. There's a lot of snow. Why am I drifting so much? Yeah, it's windy. There I am. Oh my god, it's fucking... I've never flown in snow before. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oops, I'm going up. Alright. 100 meters away, a football field away. Flying through snow. Oh, this is crazy. 200 meters away. 2 football fields. Still going. 30 meters. I am 3 football fields away. Going up a little bit. Oh my god, it's so freaking snowy. Oh no, I want to turn around. I'm 4 football fields away. I want to turn around. I'm scared. I want to lose my drone. Oh my god, I'm way the back there. Go back, Todd. Fly back home. There's a lot of snow. Alright, well, I didn't try out the VR goggles. A little afraid. There's my car. Getting there. I don't know where to land. Should I land? Should I keep flying? Oh, I'm scared. Still 42 feet in the air. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh my god. It doesn't look very stable. It looks like he's hurting. Oh, any trees. Where am I? Forward. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. You can handle it. Oh, it's having a rough time in this wind. It is really kicking. It is bouncing. Oh, this is funny. Want to go up? Want to go forward? I don't think I can land back on my sunroof. It's too wet. Oh man, last time I tried this, it frickin' slid right off. I think I'll try to catch it. Maybe that's what I'll do. Oh my god, it's the wind's fucked. Oh my god. All right, I need to land. Oh no. There we go. All right, we're coming down. Oh my god. It's doing pretty well. All the snow, it's crazy. In this wind, it's crazy. Look at this. It's like a blizzard out here. This is funny. I'm at the Midland Soccer Club, by the way. Oh, this is great. It's doing very well. Actually, I want to land in the snow. I think I'm gonna have to. Oh shit. Come on. Alright, I need to land. Oh, alright, come on down, baby. Here we go, here we go. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, baby. We did it. Flew in the snow, man. Oh, I hope you're okay, little guy. Well, that was fun.